Welcome to my brand new training video. In this video, I'm going to show you a free money making loophole that could change your life permanently. I'm not just saying this, I am going to prove it to you. People with no experience, no technical skills, no website are starting to make $100, $200, $500, and even getting paid up to $1,000, $2,000, and even $3,000 in commissions. And they are making this money using a free money making loophole, which you can use as well. And it is crushing it and taking the internet by storm. There are so many people that have joined this and they have started to make money. So many people are just ignoring the message and they're still waiting for that, I don't know, some magic bulletproof system that comes out where you just press one button and everything happens. That doesn't exist. Okay, I'm going to show you how you can start making money today. All right, and not just that, I'm going to give you a free, that's right, a free Skype session to hit your first 10k. I'm going to give you a strategy session to hit your first 10k, but this is only for serious people. All right, no time wasters. Okay, so if you are serious, keep watching this video, because this one video is more than enough to make you over $100,000 in commissions from multiple streams of income, one product, one system, get paid from multiple companies at the same time. So you can see on the screen right now, $1,212, and I could keep going on and check these out, all these results. Okay, if I start posting the results that are coming in on a daily basis, this I could keep scrolling for 48 hours non-stop, and this will not finish. I'm not even joking, man. Okay, this is serious thing that's happening down here, and people are making insane amounts of commission, insane amounts of commissions. Okay, like I said, if I start posting all the results that people are posting into the group and into the community on a daily basis, and I just post it right down here, I could keep scrolling like this for 48 hours and it's not going to stop. Okay, even down here, when you come here, you can see all these results. People are getting paid. Check this out, $197 got paid. Check this out, another $1,025, another $473. Okay, and if I keep going on and on, and check this out, $1,497. People are making money. Now the question is, are you serious to make money like this? Are you serious to build a real business? Are you sick and tired with all the BS out there, jumping from one product to another product to another and not making money? I am here to help you. Do you want me to guide you? Do you want me to walk you through? Do you want me to show you how things work and how you can change your life? If you are serious, I'm going to post all the steps in my description box below this video, okay, for you to follow. Step 1, do this. Step 2, do this. Step 3, do this. Step 4, do this. And then you're going to qualify for a bonus, free bonus, where I'm going to jump on Skype with you, give you a strategy session to hit 10k quick as possible. All right. And you can ask me any questions you want. I'm here to help you. Now keep watching. What am I talking about? How can you make money, and how can you change your life and live the .com lifestyle where you have time freedom, location freedom, money freedom, independent, vacations, paying your bills on time, paying your debt off, buying a new home, buying a new car, spending more time with the family. Just visualize the potential you will have once you start making money like this. Okay, so keep watching. All right, now I'm gonna post a link for this free money making system in my comment box as well. All right, so if you scroll down in the comment box, you're going to find it there. You could click on it and you could create your free account today. You don't have to wait. Okay, create your free account today. So what is the system? The system is called the super affiliate funnel that has multiple streams of income built in. All right, so let me just explain what this is all about. So if you go here, okay, when you go into the comment box or you go into my description box, you're going to come to a page just like this. Okay, you're going to see this and you're going to see this text message down here. You could watch this video right to the end, because it's a video that's going to explain how newbies with no experience are making thousands of dollars in commissions every single month. Okay, so you're going to scroll down. You can read everything as you want. Okay, as simple as it is. So scroll down straight to the bottom, then you're going to see something like this down here. Okay, and it's going to say here, click here, start here. So just click on start here, okay? And then down here, you're going to create your account. It's a free account, okay? You're going to put your name, you're going to put your last name, your goal. What's your goal? Just write millionaire or making 100k a month. Put your real email address, because that's where you're going to receive all the latest updates, okay? Just create your password and then click on I'm not a robot and create my account. And there you go. Your account has been created. It was free, okay, to do that. Now, once you have joined, okay, just for now, skip all these sections, okay? What you want to do, you want to scroll down and you're going to see 3 of these parts here, okay? First of all, you want to set up your system. So you want to scroll down and you want to watch this video first. It explains everything as it is, all right? So once you have watched this video, you want to scroll right to the bottom, and then there's going to be your promotional link. This is going to be your affiliate link that you're going to promote. And if you want to promote the webinar, this is going to be your link, okay? But I highly recommend you start off with this link. This is one affiliate link where you're going to drive traffic. Don't worry about traffic, okay? Once you take action in my Skype session that I'm going to give you, I'm going to give you the best traffic source that you can use to start generating sales very quickly, okay, and start generating commissions. Then you're going to come down and you're going to find 7 different income streams that's going to pay you monthly commissions, okay? So what you need to do, first of all, the first income stream, and then it explains everything, what this product is all about, okay? So you want to purchase this product, okay? You want to purchase this product. Now, how do you purchase this product? You want to come here and click on this yellow button here. It says join got backup, okay? You want to join this system. Once you have joined this system, then you want to log into your dashboard and they're going to give you an affiliate link. What you're going to do, you're going to come here and paste your affiliate link down here, click on save update, and there you go. You have saved your affiliate link down here. So let me say that again. What you're going to do, you're going to scroll down, you're going to read what this product is all about. And if you're interested in purchasing this product, which is related to secure storage of 6 family members, okay, you click on this yellow button, join got backup, go and purchase the product. Once you have purchased the product, you're going to get reseller license to promote this product and earn commissions. Get your affiliate link and just paste it here. Now, don't worry if you don't know how to get your affiliate link. I will be showing you how to do that once we get onto the Skype session. Like I said, normally I charge anywhere from $497 to up to $1,997 for a Skype session. But this is free because I'm here to help. I want to see you make money, okay? So that's number 1. For any reason you want more information about this first product income stream, just click on this tutorial here. If you click on this tutorial, it's going to open up a video that's going to explain you what this product is all about, okay? And how this product could help you change your life, all right? So that's income stream number 1. Income stream number 2, you're going to do the same thing. You come down, and this is all about SendShark. What is SendShark? It explains everything down here. Just read everything, okay? And once you have read this, if you still have any kind of questions and you want to know what this product can do for you, just click on this tutorial down here, okay? Can you see this button here? Click on the tutorial and it will explain what this product is all about. Once you are happy and you believe that you want to purchase this product, just click on this yellow button here, activate your SendShark account, click on it, go through the transaction. Once you have done, you're going to get reseller license to this product. You're going to get your affiliate link, paste it here, okay? And then click on save update. Okay. Number 3, tracking, traffic source, okay? Just read all this, what this is all about, okay? If you want more information, click on tutorial. It explains everything. Once you are happy to buy the product, just purchase the product down here by going to activate ROI panel. Once you have clicked on that, get your information, paste it here, click on save update, and you're going to do the same thing for all the other income streams, okay? So first read everything down here. If you still have questions, just look at the tutorial here. Once you have joined, get your affiliate link, paste it here, click on save update. All right, you're going to do all of that, okay? Once you have done that, how are you going to make money? That's the big question, okay? Once you have joined all these income streams, okay, and you have updated it, you're going to have your affiliate link down here. This is your link. You're going to be driving traffic to this link. And when people come here, when they come, they're going to see this. They're going to read about the product, and if they are interested in buying the product, they will buy the product. And when they buy the product, they get a reseller license as well with an extra, I don't know, I think it's $19 or $29. With an extra $29, they get a reseller license to sell this product and earn commissions. They will paste their affiliate link. Now, guess what? Because you have activated all these income streams, okay, when you promote this and someone comes into your system, guess what's going to happen? When they start joining all this, you're going to make commissions, okay? And you're going to start earning money. Now, the big question comes, how do I drive traffic? So first of all, like I said, if you go into my description box below this video, I have wrote all the action steps that you need to take. Step 1, step 2, step 3, step 4. Go through it, okay? Once you have activated your income stream, in my description box, you're going to find my email address also, my personal email address. You're going to contact me, and I'm going to jump on Skype and give you a 10K strategy session to help you build this business and take it to the next level. I'm going to give you some of the best traffic sources, some of the best ideas that you can implement to start crushing it online. But remember, it requires work, okay? It's not something that you just sit around and wait things to happen. You'll have to put in some work. You'll have to put in some action with a never give up attitude and believing in yourself that you can do this, okay? So, the action steps are going to be right in my description box below this video, okay? That's number 1. Number 2, when you have set it up all your system, you're going to come here and set up your autoresponder. Now, you might be asking, wait, do I have to really pay for autoresponder? I have you covered for that as well. Don't worry about that, okay? Don't worry about your autoresponder, because I have got you covered to set up your autoresponder for this system as well, and how to implement your emails into that autoresponder. And I'm going to give you a solution to that as well, all right? Which is one of the best autoresponders, and you can get started for free. That's right, for free in this autoresponder. And by the time you get to the paid subscription, my gut feeling tells me you're going to start making money. You're going to make enough money that you will able to afford for the autoresponder, all right? So don't worry about the autoresponder. So first you need to come here, watch this video, set up your 7 income streams, which is step 1. Step 2, set up your autoresponder. If you don't have an autoresponder, don't worry. In the Skype session, I'm going to walk you through on setting up your autoresponder, and it's going to be free, and it's going to be one of the best ones, okay, that the top gurus are using. Don't worry about that, okay? So what you do, you scroll down, and down here it says connect your autoresponder. Don't worry about this for now, okay? Because it's just, if you're just a beginner, you're going to get frustrated. You're just going to say, what does this supposed to mean? What do I have to do here? Don't worry. I'm going to walk you through everything in the Skype session, and I'm going to help you set this up, okay? And the autoresponder I'm going to set you up is for free, okay? So you don't have to worry about this. So don't worry about this for now, okay? Now let's talk about traffic, okay? You need to drive traffic to this link down here. Don't worry about that too. Why? Because don't forget to advertise. This is step 3. Just click on this, and then this guy has videos all about traffic, explaining you how to get traffic. And when you start implementing all of this, you're going to get traffic on completely autopilot, and you're going to make those big fat commissions. Plus, in my free Skype session, I'm going to give you some of the traffic strategies to boost your business and start making multiple 4, 5, and 6 figures in commissions. Okay? So what I need you to do right now is, first step for you is to join this free system. It's free to create your account. Go into the comment box below this video. I have pinned the comment where you can join right now. Go there, join this free system. That's step 1. Step 2, activate all the income stream. Don't wait till tomorrow. You wait till tomorrow, tomorrow never comes. People who heard me, who took my advice 1 year ago, they are making multiple 4 or 5 figures. And those people that ignored me, they are still struggling. They are still waiting for that magic opportunity. So it's up to you. How would you want your life to look like after 1 year, after 6 months? You need to ask yourself. If you want it to be the same it is right now, then just ignore my message and just skip this and just say, okay, these opportunities keep on coming and blah, 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 blah. But if you really want to change, you're sick and tired with what's going on, okay, you need to take action right now, okay? And this is very limited. I'm only taking 100 people for the Skype session. First come, first serve basis. 100 people for the Skype session, okay? I can't do it for everyone, of course. You understand? So what you need to do is go to my comment box, join this free system. Open up my description box below this video, and I have laid out all the steps. In there, you're going to find my email address. What you need to do, first step, is to join this free system. Then step 2, you need to activate all your income streams so I could help you boost your business, okay? Alright? Then step 3, send me an email saying I have activated all my income streams. Can we jump on Skype and let's get this to work? And I'm going to help you and show you what you need to do to start hitting your first 10K online. So it's 3 steps in here. Set up your system. Autoresponder, don't worry about that. Once you jump on Skype session, I'm going to show you a free autoresponder you're going to set up. And plus, this guy is going to give you done for you emails that you're going to copy and paste into your autoresponder that will go out on your behalf on completely autopilot. So you don't have to worry about that. It's called the set and forget system. Once you set it up, which will take about 20 to 30 minutes to do, and then after that you just forget about it. Every time someone joins this system, those emails kick in, goes out to your prospect, and you're going to start seeing traffic coming in and potential commissions, okay? And then step 3, don't forget to advertise. In there he has videos and tutorials telling you your daily action plans that you need to do every single day without giving up, without losing hope, and without having this outside world to control your thoughts and thinking. He shows you how to do it so you can start seeing those commissions. And plus, in my free Skype session, I'm also going to help you generate these big fat commissions, okay, and show you the traffic sources. All right, so that's all for now. This is a system that's taking the internet by storm, okay? One of the income stream built in here. These are the results that you're seeing. Check this out, man. Like I said, if I post everything down here, I could scroll for 48 hours as it's not going to stop. People are crushing it, and one of these income streams have been built into this program. So what are you waiting for? Scroll down, get on board now. All right, create your free account, watch the videos, go through the products, and if you're interested, purchase the products, okay? Contact me and let's get on Skype and let me help you hit your first 10K online. Trust me, this is an opportunity for you to change your life. Take action today. You will thank me later and you will pray for me. See you in the next video.